Unit 4, Lesson 1. The parameter. What is the parameter? The definition of the parameter, it's the parameter of a figure is the sum of the lengths of its sides. The sum of the lengths of its side. The sum of the length of its side. The parameter of the opposite figure, here I have this shape 5, 3, 4, and this one will be 4. 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. The sum of the all sides together. The first shape we have here, we have a rectangle, the parameter of the rectangle. We can calculate the parameter of the rectangle in one of the ways shown below. I have here width, this called width, and this is called length. I have three formulas to calculate the parameter of the rectangle. The first formula asks me to length plus width plus length plus width. Length plus width and plus length plus width 2 times. The second formula, length times 2, width times 2, and between them plus 4 times 2 plus 3 times 2. This is my second formula for the parameter of the rectangle. Third formula, parameter of the rectangle, length plus width times 2. Length plus width times 2. The total number 4 plus 3 times 2. It gives me the same answer in the three formulas. But I have to know it. I have to know and study the three formulas. The parameter of the square. We can calculate the parameter of the square in one of the ways shown below. Here, the square have 4 equal sides. My first formula for the parameter of the square, the sum of its sides length, the sum of all of them, or the second formula is parameter of the square side times 4, which is equal 12, and here will be 12 too. Here, this example, I have here a rectangle. He asked me to use the parameter length plus width, length plus width. I have here, this is called the width and this is called the length. I have 17 plus 4 and then 17 plus 4 equal 42 centimeter. Okay, this plus and this is 2 also plus. The formula of length plus width plus length plus width. Number 2. He asked me here, use the parameter side plus side plus side plus side formula to calculate the parameter of the shape. I have here a square of side length 9 centimeter. Here he wants the parameter by this formula. Side plus side plus side plus side. I have 4 sides, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is equal 36 centimeter. Here this 36 to be more clear, centimeter. 9, 4 times plus each other will give me the parameter of the square. Number 2, using the formula, the formulas calculate the parameter of the shapes that follow. Use the 2 different formulas to solve each problem. The first one, I have here a square, okay, of side lengths. My first formula was 27 plus 27 plus 27 plus 27, which is equal 108 centimeter. The second one, I have side times 4. I will times this 27 times 4 will give me 108 centimeter too. Okay, even side time plus side plus side plus side, or side times 4. This is the 2 formulas for the square. I have to study them. Here, this rectangle, he asked me to use 2 formulas. Formula 1, I will use 20 plus 67, 20 plus 67. Okay, length plus width and plus length plus width. Or I will use 20 plus 67 times 2. 20 plus 67 times 2 give me the same answer. It's not okay. 174. Number C. Here I have this square 2, this rectangle, sorry. I will use the same formulas. Length plus width times 2. The first one, length plus width, length plus width times 2, sorry, this length and this width. 30 plus 50 times 2 equal 160. This is my first formula. Or 50 plus 30. Okay, no, I will use 30 times 2. This the new formula we didn't use yet. 30 times 2, 50 times 2, because I have 230 millimeters and 250 millimeters. يبقى 30 times 2 plus 50 times 2 equal also 160 millimeter. This is 100 and this is 60. Okay?